To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, today I am taking your models can and could. Can is present tense and could is past tense. As I have already told you, I am taking all these models with the help of formulas. And first model in present tense out of can and could, that is can, and the formula of can, that is A, P, P, P. It means A, P power 3. And we have to actually keep this thing in our mind. We have to learn. And we must also learn the full form of these abbreviations. A for ability, P for power, P for possibility, and P for permission. Like this we have to know. And APP, as for recognition, we may learn Andhra Pradesh Police. And one P more. A for ability. Ability, that is mental ability. I can do this work. Raman can run fast. Actually, Raman can run fast, it's power. And I can solve all the sums, this is ability. So, in ability we have to bring can. And I can sing beautifully, this is ability. And she can take heavy exercise, this is power. So we have to use, in cases of ability, in cases of power, can. Next one is possibility. In absence, in my absence, if I say anyone can take entry in my residence, anyone can pluck flowers, means possibility. And last one, there is permission. In permission, you can go now, you can play here, you can do this work. Like this, these are the letters through which we may recognize A for ability, P for power, P for possibility, and P for permission. Actually, this is can. And now I take your could. Could is a past form of can. Actually, all these things will be in past. For example, ability in past. I could solve all the sums in 9th class. It means when I was in 9th class, that is my past. Ability, solving of questions. She could teach the students physics last year, means ability in past. Now I take power in past. Raman could beat the competition in athletics, past. And Raman could run very fast when he was in class 12th, means power in past. After this, then we have to take possibility. In possibility, the thief could take entry in my factory during night hours, means possibility. Anyone could pluck flowers in my lawn. This is possibility. So anyone could pluck flowers means could is past tense. After possibility, then there is permission. The students could play in the playground in the 5th period. Actually, that is permission to the students to play in the playground in the 5th period. It means permission in past. And the teacher could leave from half time, means permission in past. And there is also one P, that is past tense of can. It means in formula A, P, P, P and P. P power 4 means past tense of can. As she said that she could go to Agra the previous day. It means can has been changed in the narration into could. He said that he could teach the students on Monday. It means can into could in narration. Like this, these are two models, dear students. I think you have understood easily all these models. You have to learn actually formulas and full forms of formulas and their uses. Thank you very much.